It's time to organize your holidays from home. Now you can book any service before arriving. It's so easy. Access to the app by clicking on the top button. Select Login by reservation number. Insert your reservation number and your name. Click the Enter button. You will find different parts on lateral menu. Now click on the service you would like to book. Then click on the Booking button. Click again on Login in order to access with your username. Click Accept after checking the information and select your preferred day. Pick your favorite term. Insert the number of adults and kids and click on Continue. Introduce your email and let us know in case you have a comment or special request. Food allergy, for example. Click on Confirm Reservation. You will receive an email with the QR code. You have to solve before enjoying your service. Remember that you can check your generate QR from My Bookings part. Thanks for using our app. We hope you experience a magical holiday with us.